Welcome to NewDealShaker.com. Here you can read all about the privacy preferences and what cookies are used and enabled on our NewDealShaker.com website. Everyone that arrives to NewDealShaker.com and have an account in DealShaker.com will have to choose Login and add their email. If your email is in the old system, you will receive an email to reset your password. After you reset your password, you may log in to the NewDealShaker.com website. In the top you will find the main menu. You have stores with categories, My Stores, My Vouchers, Open Stores, My Wallet, and more functions. Clicking My Wallet will take you to your imported OneLife wallet. If you have cash and OneCoins in your wallet, they will appear here. You can also add more coins and cash into your wallet. Your wallet is used to paying for products and services when you check out. Open Store will take you to the store opening section. Here you can read all about creating your store. When you choose to open a new store account and have not done a KYC or ID verification, you will be asked to do so. There is a €4 fee to do the ID verification. Make sure you have your valid passport, ID or driving license in hand before you proceed. In ID verification, you click Start. Then you choose your country of your identification document. Then you choose what ID document you had to choose from. The next step is either to upload your document from your computer in PNG or JPEG format. Or you can hold your ID document in front of the camera and take a snapshot of it. Make sure it's a clear image before you continue. You will now be asked to take a selfie of yourself to verify that your identity is the same as in your ID documents. After the images are checked for quality, it will be submitted and automatically checked. This process can take up to a few minutes, so please do not leave the web page or close your browser. If you are unsuccessful with the ID verification, you have one more attempt before you have to start the process all over again. To find out what IDs are valid in every country, please refer to our FAQ page. After completing the ID verification, you can choose to set up your store. You start by choosing your store package. You can read all about the different packages in this view. To set up your store, you have to do it by following our simple guidelines. First, you select the title or name for your store. Next, you choose what URL you want your store to be hosted at. You need to check that the URL is not already been taken. You can also put tag words that will make everyone find your store. Now you select your category of the store. After this, you put a nice describing text about your store. Now you choose a store image that represents your store. Next is to put down the address of your store. Our system automatically uses Google Maps, so it has to be a valid address. Now add your phone number, email and website if you have one. Then you have to agree to the terms and conditions. If you save your store as a draft, you may be able to edit it. If you publish your store, you cannot make changes without support's help, so make sure your details are correct and true. If you don't have a free store package, you need to activate your store. Paid stores have many functions, like being featured or sponsored, including chatting with members. You will need to pay for the subscription of the store package. You can choose to cancel at any time. Payment is done using PayPal recurring payments only. To be able to add products and start selling, you need to configure a shipping method first. You can add any shipping cost and configure shipping locations as well. Now you can choose to create products. Start by adding the product title. And then add the weight of the product. Then add the main category of the product and the subcategory of the product. Now add the product description. Make sure it is accurate and true. If you add false information or inappropriate text, your products will not be approved for sales. Now add the main picture for your product or service. Here you choose the price setting of the product. You can choose to sell in euros, OneCoins, or a mix of both. You can set discount values on all the cash value of the product. You can add promotion dates to these. You can choose when products should be published. You select the amount of vouchers to be sold. You also set the valid dates of vouchers that are created when products are bought. When you save the product as a draft, you may edit it. If you choose to publish your product, you cannot change anything, so make sure it is accurate and true. Your products and store are also posted on the social wall feature for members to see. You can also share your store with other social medias and really drive traffic for your NewDealShaker.com store. Good luck!